Hi folks, welcome back. We've got a visitor. It's Mr. Shorrock. Well, I'm going to get his car as he's parked halfway down the street. I'll bring it back up the road. As you can see, it's dark o'clock here in not so sunny Blackpool. The sun has gone down for the day. Anyway, Mr. Shorrock's kindly delivered a load of panels for me. First of many, I hope. As you can see, front panel. There's one of the wings. There's another one in the garage. 2A panels. We'll grab them. Mark's away in front there, followed by Simba, and there's the other wing. So here we are, we're in the garage and having a wee inspection of the car.
Mr. Shorrock doing a little inspection of the car. He's even made friends with the Simba. Aren't you, big guy? Yes.
Simba, he's a nutcase. To be fair, he's done quite well tonight with Mark. Normally it takes 3 or 4 visits from someone before he actually allows them to wander around the place without going mental. But he's actually been quite good with Mark tonight, so yeah. But a massive thank you to Mark Shorrock when he told his dad for bringing me my panels over, because there's no way I'd have ever found time to get over to get them picked up, and at this moment in time it's like everything else. So yeah, massive thank you to Mark, and there we go. So we've had a wee tour around the garage, we've had a quick brew, it lights it. I'll just set Mark on his way home. So that's Mark on his way back home, and I've just come into the garage and have a wee quick let you see what I've got. That's one wing, front panel, the other wing, really pleased with these, and 2A panels of course. Still got a load of panels to get, but that's the first of them. Anyway, if you liked the wee video, give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks again folks, ta-ra.